The Yawning Yarn. Once upon a time, in a cozy village nestled between rolling hills and whispering streams, there lived a curious young owl named Oliver. Unlike other owls, Oliver loved exploring the daytime world. One sunny afternoon, he noticed something peculiar. The forest animals were yawning. Mama Bear, Little Rabbit, and even wise old Tortoise all yawned one after another. Curious, Oliver fluttered down and asked Mama Bear, "Why do we yawn?" Mama Bear smiled and explained that yawning isn't just about sleepiness. It helps take in more oxygen and wake up the brain. Oliver, amazed, then approached wise old Tortoise, who explained that yawning is universal among animals. It helps regulate body temperature, stretch muscles, and communicate alertness or readiness to rest. As evening approached, Oliver gathered the animals and shared what he learned about yawning. The animals listened in awe, realizing the wonder behind such a simple act. From that day on, yawns were no longer seen as mere signs of sleepiness, but as a fascinating way their bodies kept them healthy and alert. And so, under the starlit sky, the animals of the village embraced the magic of yawning, thanks to the curious heart of Oliver the Owl.